To uninstall unused apps to free up some space on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care and then tap storage. Tap unused apps. Here you can see the list of apps that you rarely use. Select the required apps you like to uninstall. As you are selecting the apps, the button to uninstall the apps will count on how many apps you select and how many space you will get when you uninstall them. Tap uninstall and then tap uninstall again to uninstall the selected apps. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.